Nilight Side Shooter LED Light. The Nilight Side Shooter LED lights are a game changer when it comes to illuminating your surroundings. With their innovative design and powerful LED technology, these lights are perfect for any situation that requires enhanced visibility. One standout feature of the Nilight Side Shooter LED lights is their unique side shooter design. This design allows the lights to emit a wide-angle beam, providing superior illumination compared to traditional LED lights. Whether you're traversing rugged terrains or need extra light for work purposes, these lights will not disappoint. The rectangular shape of the lights complements their functionality. The shape makes them easy to install and ensures a secure fit on various surfaces. You can effortlessly mount them on your vehicle, boat, or even use them as stationary lights in your garage. The versatility offered by the shape of these lights makes them suitable for a wide range of applications. Made from high,